FIMS Manufacturing is a third-generation manufacturing company. We started in 1962 from my grandfather and my dad. We are contract manufacturers in aerospace, heavy commercial industrial tooling, and now also in firearms industry. Come on, I'll show you around a little bit. Give you the old nickel tour. What today is about is bringing all different people from all different facets of our industry together at once, all the way from cars that we do sponsorship with race car teams, to assemblymen of our local government, school system people, STEM program kids, and salespeople in our industry. Just trying to have a big networking day, get everybody together and bring some more focus to the industry that we're in.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, you're very welcome, man.
Awesome.
You kids are always welcome, man, anytime. Thanks for showing up, man.
It's great.
Stick with it.
I'll see you.
Call me if you guys ever need anything, all right? Thanks. That's a show car version of our race car that's racing tomorrow. So that's from Haas Manufacturing. That's their show at Formula One car. So they're completely American made. 99.9% of my equipment is all made in America. Everything's American made. We buy everything from Haas. And these are the guys that are also sponsoring the schools. Predominantly what we make here, my largest product line is hydraulic tooling from the largest hydraulic torque wrench manufacturer in the world. I think it's good to bring attention to the industry, and this is the first year we've had a lot of younger kids here and we've had more school system people here. And I think it's just a good focus because this is where everything in the world that we touch every day starts in the machine shop. The focus on bringing manufacturing back to the United States and trying to bring it back to New Jersey, I think is something that a lot of people need to look at and understand that it's something that is really big for our industry.